What is up, people? It's your boy Mighty Reds, and in this review we will test how to get the latest working scripts for your Dead Rails game in your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. Search down below for this browse scripts and click on Dead Rails. There we go. It should load up, guys, and then we will enter our Roblox username. But guys, don't worry, because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here. So I will continue with my username. Click connect account. It will start fetching our Roblox profile, and guys, you should get this pop-up. It's account confirmation. So if it's your account, just click yes, connect, and that's pretty much it. We're successfully connected, and now we will have to get any executor into our Roblox in order to use those scripts. So guys, don't worry, because if you don't have, we can import latest and newest working Delta Executor. So I will continue with it. But if you already have Delta, select yes. If you already have a different executor, just select I already have a different executor. So guys, I will continue with my Delta. I will import it, and now you will get this option for selecting scripts. So guys, you will have a list. So I will go with NICUs and Overflow, for example. These two scripts, you can Google them and see what they do. So I will continue with these two and click continue, guys. So it will start connecting to the API. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more. And let's see. Nice, guys. There we go. API is connected. Our two scripts are ready, and our activation key is there as well. Nice. So now we will have to click I'm not a robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, and let's see what we will get. So we should get verified, I guess. And nice, guys. Thank you for passing the bot check. Look at this. Our username connected and our key is connected, and now I guess it's revealed. Nice, guys, it's fully revealed. So let's open our Roblox right now and let's test, are we actually getting our Delta Executor along our two scripts selected. So let's open our Dead Rails. Let's click play, and then we will make sure that, oh my god, guys, look at this. We already got our Delta Executor fully activated and working. Look at this. Oh my god. Okay, so let's test. Let's see, are we actually getting our nice NICUs and Overflow, guys, just as we selected. Okay, let's get to the job. So we will start the game, and then we will see, is it actually working? Let me put one player and let's create the game, guys. We will wait a little bit until this starts, then I will start scripts, and then we will test, is it actually working or no. So we received two scripts that we have selected, and we received our Delta Executor fully activated. For now, it seemed amazing, guys. I'm so happy. But let's see now, are we actually getting these working scripts or no? Okay, it's the truth moment. So I will start NICUs for start, and let's see. So, oh, nice, guys. Look at this. We got our script for Dead Rails fully working and activated. Look at all these options, guys. Oh my god. Anti-AFK, look at this. We can do literally whatever we like. We can customize our speed and infinite jumps, no clip. Look at this. We can also do on remove clouds. Let me close this, guys. Remove clouds, only day, only night, ambient changer, ESPs, guys. Oh my god, I cannot believe that it actually worked. After testing a lot of websites, bloxforge.com was the only working so far. Look at this. We got our no clip, and we can also bring all items and do literally whatever we like, guys. I'm so excited because this test was successful. So that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.